Do you want to have custom animations in your game? Make your game feel alive with custom animations. Start by playing the game. Click on your player and click on Animate. We will need to modify the animation ID. Add a script into Server Script Service and name it Change Animation. This script sets custom walk, idle, jump, and fall animations for every player when their character spawns. This function replaces a character's default walk, idle, jump, and fall animations with custom ones when the character spawns. This function runs when a player joins and connects their character's spawn to the custom animation setup. This line listens for new players joining and runs the function that sets up their animations. Search for a free model to save time. If you already have the animations, then you can skip this. Go to Animation Editor and click on the rig. Migrate the animations you wish to have. Publish them and copy the ID. Now put the ID into the script and repeat this process for the other animations. Now go to Avatar Settings, click on the 3 dots and toggle R6 only if the animations are R6. Click on Play and test it out. As you can see, it works. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.